Well, hello there YouTube, George here. Hope you're all well. Happy Friday and all that good stuff. Hope everybody has had a good week and that they're going to have an even better weekend. Okay, we have here a Mark II Cobra 148 GTL DX, and this is for Trevor. This, excuse the barking dogs. Anyway, we'll keep going. Anyway, as I was saying, Mark II 148 GTL DX, bit of a Restomod. The radio's in generally good condition, couple of little chips on the chrome, but there's no, I don't know, I just feel that if you touch that up or try and cover it up, it just ends up making it look worse. Because if you put silver paint on it, it sticks out like a sore thumb. So anyway, this one has one of Brad's decals on it here, and we have custom switches here for this has a K-tone board in it, and the regular beep is switchable, and there's a 10k jump here as well. So it's standard, low, mid and high, been fully tuned, and de-notched the clarifier and a few other bits and pieces. We went through the radio from front to back like I normally do. So secret sauce and all that. I might give it a fresh coat. It's a little dusty after sitting here for a couple of days and a few days behind. Had some stuff going on, but there you have it. So what we'll do now is we'll put it on to the dummy load and we'll see what Vanny tells us it's doing. Okay then, so we are on the dummy load and we've had a bit of a change around here, as you can see. So we'll have a look now. We're just on AM. Mic gain is fully open. Just using a standard coffin Cobra microphone. Nothing fancy. It's good and healthy that way. And now we are on SSB. 1 2 check. 1 2 3 4. Hello radio. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 check. 1 2 check. We're just on the dummy load here, so no one can hear me. I'm just speaking normally into the microphone, about 3 inches in front of my mouth, and she's a really good talking radio, this one. Plenty of punch and plenty of power. The ideal radio for driving amplifier. She's well sorted, this one. So where are we? That's USB. We'll go to LSB. And the same story here. 1 2 3 4 5. Hello radio. Speaking normally into the microphone at a distance of about 3 inches away from my mouth. So nice radio. It works very well, and I hope that Trevor has lots of fun with it. So there you go. That's what Vanny is telling us it's doing anyway. So what we'll do now is I haven't the screws in the bottom cover yet, so I'll just give you guys a quick look at the inside. When this came, it had the K-tone board was in it, so I just decided to leave it there. But it was just literally wired in and left hanging there. It wasn't attached in any way, so I just made a little bracket to hold it securely in place. So we'll flip it over and we'll get the cover off and show you what's going on. Like my new fancy stand, lads. Look at that. And I can change the colour. Look at that. So it's just something fancy for the pictures, and it got the usual, cleaned all the knobs, redone the lines, yada yada, new screws and all that kind of stuff. So what I'll do now is I'll take it off the stand and give you a look at the inside. Right, so here we are. When I look around in the inside, oh yes, I see now. The SWR cal on this is actually controlling the AM power, so that's why it was peaking so high on AM. So just make sure, Trevor, that you don't have that wide open like I just did. But however, so nice clean Mark II, hasn't been butchered, you know, nothing untoward or whatever, and in good, clean, unmolested condition inside. It's a radio that hasn't really been messed with, so until it came here, some people might say. So there's a little bracket I made to hold the, like, it's quite solid there. It won't move around, and it's bolted onto the chassis. So what else? The Cobra Workshops board. Well, there's a sticker on it here, Cobra Workshops. Don't even know if they do anything now. Well, we won't go down that road. But yeah, nice clean, no cracked cores, nothing dodgy, nothing, you know. So it's a Mark II, it's an AB board, I think. I'm just trying to see it here now. Oh, I can't see it because this thing is in the way. Let me have a look. Maybe something we can. Oh, it's actually an AA, one of the first of them, PBO and OAA. So it's one of the first of the Mark IIs, and a nice, clean, tidy radio. So it should provide lots of years of service to go yet. And you know, as I said, went through it front to back, done the full alignment and all the stuff. So there you go. Yeah, so we had a bit of a change around here. I haven't all the lights on, so that's why it's dark down the back. But I put all my test gear in the one spot here beside me, rather than having it scattered out across the way it used to be. So it just flows a little bit better feng shui in the radio room here, or the workshop. So I have my switch up here, so I can switch between what's on the bench and the Magnum, and I have the Magnum there, my 2 meter, and my tuner and the amp. So nice little, it's all there in front of me, so I can just play around with it whatever I want. Power supply is now the right way up. It used to be on its side there where the mixer is. So I have this mixer set up now with this microphone. If I do live streams and stuff like that. I don't do many live streams. I can't really be bothered, to be honest. I have done a few of them in my time, but not many people watch them, so it's not really worth the effort. What else did we do? Other than that, nothing really. Some more stuff has arrived down in the corner there. There's a 2000, Cobra 2000, a Jumbo, a Magnum, some other little funny looking radio, a couple of mics. I see a D104 there, and a Turner Plus 3B, all to be restored, and all the rest of it. So yeah, even have a proper place for my clock now, and my prestigious award from 2020, the award winner, Golden Screwdriver of the Year. Very proud of that. And yeah, there you go. So we have the Schlumberger right here beside me now, and oh yeah, we added a monitor as well, so I have 2 monitors now, which is kind of handy for diagrams and stuff like that. And yeah, that's pretty much the ins and outs of it. So that is Trevor's Mark II PB 010 AA 148 GTL DX, and that is going to be boxed up and sent out of here today. So a few days behind here. I'm about a week or so behind. I just have had stuff going on, real life shit that stops me getting out here. And this little, put this here, Print Extreme, it's Brad's business. And then a nod to my lads on the Old School Suzuki forum, and that's our motto: ride motorcycles, eat ice cream. Especially for Paul, that one. That's one of his stickers. But yeah, so there we go. that's pretty much the size of it. We'll give this a fresh coat. It got a bit dusty and stuff in here. I will send him some, I do have a silver vinyl, but I've done it in the past and it looks a bit cacked, to be honest, so I'll send him some in the box, and if he wants to put it on, he can do it himself. I just think you draw more attention to it by trying to do something with it, if that makes sense. So the usual anyway, we put a big LED in the meter, left the meter stock. We wanted a Restomod appearance on this one, where it looks bog standard, but there's a few little things done inside, and the K-tone and all the rest of it. You can actually have the two beeps on at the same time, where you get the K-tone and then the standard Roger beep after it. So it's quite entertaining to listen to that. But other than that, not much else to say. Have a good weekend, guys, and we'll get you soon. Bye bye.